Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the PC, unplug it, and open the case. You must ground yourself. An anti-static strap prevents damage to the new SSD. Once the side panel is off, identify whether you have a 2, 5 SATA bay or an M2 slot on the motherboard if you're swapping a 2, 5 drive, remove mounting brackets. If NVMe, find the M2 screw. Make sure you backed up files. Cloning later depends on that copy. Next, install the SSD gently and precisely. For SATA drives, attach the SATA cable to the motherboard and the power cable from the PSU, then secure the 2, 5 drive into its bracket. Once done, route cables cleanly to avoid interference with fans. For NVMe, insert the module at about a 30-degree angle into the M2 slot, press it down, and fasten the tiny screw. Make sure connections are firm. Loose cables cause detection. Now power on and enter the BIOS to confirm the new SSD is recognized. Set boot order if you cloned your old drive. If you cloned, make sure partition alignment and sizes are correct. Then boot into the OS and run a disk check and trim/optimization. If the drive isn't detected, first power down and receipt cables or the M2 module. Next update BIOS firmware. If problems persist, test the SSD in another computer to isolate whether the drive or motherboard is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.